instructing me.
But
God transformed my life through that song. You wouldn't understand this. I tell people when they laugh, this song, who are they? It took me in different planes that I can't count. I sat in business classes in planes because of this song. Recently someone called me, took me in his shopping chic. He said, pick something you want in 5 minutes and come out. Went to Kauga recently. They asked for songs. 3 songs. I would ask more, but they wouldn't permit me to sing the 3 songs. I told them, those who are delighted with those 3 songs, please go on YouTube and watch me there. There's some who wrote to me here on Instagram asking for songs. I'm not an artist. I'm just a worshiper. I'm a singer. So all the songs belong to me. So we're going to sing a song of true promises. Who are they? I did not write this song. I didn't even do any arrangements. Even the songs, the verses, is someone who was
I can see the kids all over there.
They continue to familiarize with us.
ariko ntibatugereho kubera amaraso ya Yesu
They
adukiza.
cannot come across because of the blood that protects us.
ariko
But
hari umugeni ushobora gutera
there is a fix you can, a kick you can give.
irayibona rimwe rikagenda ridafite amenyo
And
kubera
one
umugeni wawe.
demon will be kicked, and that thing will come out because of your kick. Distracting me.
ariko Imana ihindura amateka yaje
But
gusa.
God transformed my life through that song. You wouldn't understand this.
Zamubwira abantu bagaseka
I tell
impande
people when they laugh, this song, who are
impande
they?
yanyinjije mu ndege ntabara
It took me in different planes that I can't count.
nicaye muri klasi z'abakire mu ndege kubera ni bande.
I sat in business classes in planes because of this
ejo
song.
bundi umuntu yarampamagaye narize aranezerwa arangije anyinjiza mu iduka ryiwe
Recently, someone called me
hano mu
and
mujyi w'ishike
took me in his shopping chic.
arangije arasohoka arambwira ngo mu minota itanu tore ikintu ushaka cyose
They say,
urangiza usohoka.
pick something you want in 5 minutes and come out.
uku ari abantu basaza kuko amabara turabyishe.
There are people who can pick a lot of things.
nageze mu iduka ndacanganyikirwa
I couldn't figure out what I wanted in 5 minutes.
neza ucanganyikirwa. ramutse umuntu uri iruhande rwawe umuhe high five mubwire ngo Yesu azokubwira neza ucanganyikirwa.
I was blessed with that song like 3 weeks ago. I compare it to a child who is being carried in the back. When a mother is carrying a baby, there is a covering they cover on top of the baby so that the baby can sleep comfortably. That is how Jesus carries us. He carries us in the back and then he will cover us because he knows we are unable in this journey. But the problem that we face, there are children who are being stubborn. They want to remove the veil to see where what God is taking them. We have such stubborn children. Let us all be steady and quiet. God, keep where God is taking us.
Yeah.